What's going on, guys? My name is Tom from Dreadlabs, and today I want to share a little update video.
Dreadlabs.
Well, it's been a while, and not for you but for me, because I just came back from a 2-week holiday. Well, I didn't really go anywhere, but me and my girlfriend, we just went and did like a lot of fun stuff here in the Netherlands. And in the meantime, I got like 6 or 7 planned videos for you guys. And it got me thinking. The thing is, I've been feeling that my video content, especially in my tutorials of the last few months, can be a lot better. And what I mean by that is, I feel like the production quality is dropping over the quantity. And I had a good reason for that in the beginning of Dreadlabs, because I wanted to have a channel where people could see that there were a lot of tutorials, instead of like clicking on my channel after watching a good tutorial and finding out there's only like one tutorial on my channel. I wanted my channel to be like that place where once you click on my channel, you actually find out that there's like a lot of videos there. Because if I recall correctly, I think my channel already surpassed over 100 videos. And I think about 70% of those are actually tutorials in graphic design. And I feel like I can do better. I feel like as you can probably also see, compared to one of my older tutorials, I recently bought a camera and I got a new audio setup now, and if all goes well, I will be in a separate office in the coming months, maybe in the coming year. And all of this leads up to something that I want to do, and that's just make better videos for you guys. And that's why I made the decision to make less videos for you guys, less content for you guys, and replace it with better content. So from now on, that means I'm going with quality over quantity. That probably means like more in-depth tutorials, more videos related to all things Dreadlabs. But in the meantime, I will also try to focus more on stuff like shorts, like YouTube shorts or Instagram reels or whatever you want to call them. Short videos to help you with certain creative aspects, but also more in-depth tutorials. That doesn't mean that there won't be any like 10-minute tutorials coming or something like that. I just wanted quality to be better. So basically what I want to share with you guys is I'm going to post less videos from now on, but I want to post better videos from now on. That means if you feel like you're watching videos of mine in the near future and you feel like the quality isn't getting any better, please let me know and tell me how I can improve my channel, because I would love to hear that. Another reason why I'm going with this decision is because I also accepted a job at Fontys University of Applied Sciences. Not a full-time job, just 8 hours a week, where I will be a teacher in all things Adobe. I will be teaching this at the minor Transmedia for Creative Industries. I followed this minor myself and I had a really fun time doing it. And I got in touch with the people who gave it, and basically I became a teacher there. I already did some guest lectures there, and it's super fun because it's an international minor, so that means I will be meeting people from all over the world and I will be teaching them all things Adobe. That, in addition to a lot of freelance work, means that there's less time to create videos or Instagram content for you guys every day. And especially on Instagram, I feel like my content has been lacking. I feel like I don't need to post every day to keep you guys satisfied. I feel like I just need to post better content. So yeah, sorry guys for the people who like to see Dreadlabs daily, but I just wanted to do better content from now on instead of more content. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say in this video. Sorry for the long explanation, but yeah, just wanted to give you guys a heads up, so you don't have to worry about, whoa, there's no video coming, he's quitting the channel or whatever. That's not gonna happen. I'm just going to up the quality. Dreadlabs is here to stay, and I have tons of cool content planned for the future, which is also why I wanted to improve the quality. So yeah, the videos that I have planned basically just have a little bit more production value than just me sitting behind my computer talking to you guys on how to do stuff in Photoshop. I wanted to do more stuff in the physical space as well, because I feel that's a really important part of being a graphic designer or a creative in general. Then I'm also like hesitating to start a separate channel, but more on that in the near future, because I need to keep up with my freelance work and other stuff. So yeah, basically that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just a quick shout out to all of my Patreons. As of the month of July, I reached 90 Patreons this month, which is amazing. I promised all of my Patreons that I will be doing a Patreon exclusive tutorial at 100 Patreons. So yeah, we're nearly there. Will probably take another few months until we get started, but yeah, if you don't know, all of my tutorials have project files. I've saved all of them, and you can get them if you become a patron. You'll also get a 15% discount in my assets web store, as well as a cool Discord pool. And if you're interested in how to start a clothing brand, there's also full-on videos on how to do that as well. Those are in a separate tier, but yeah, if you want to check it out, there's a link in the description. Go to patreon.com/Dreadlabs. Anyways, with all of that being said, this was Tom from Dreadlabs tuning out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.